Financial information becomes easier to use when it is organized around a clear decision process. Skynexflow presents advanced tools, personalized insights, and account management features as connected parts of one digital environment. A useful market dashboard should begin with context. Before focusing on an individual price movement, learners can review the wider trend, current volatility, upcoming economic events, and recent changes in market activity. The next layer is personalization. Not every chart, alert, or data point is relevant to every objective. A customized workspace can help users prioritize selected markets, preferred timeframes, account information, and educational resources. Account management also deserves attention. Available funds, open exposure, transaction history, and account settings should be easy to locate and understand. Clear organization can reduce confusion and support more deliberate decisions. Speed is valuable, but it works best when combined with preparation. Real-time data and fast access help users respond to changing conditions, while a structured checklist helps them evaluate the information before acting. Skynexflow connects global market access with transparency, accessibility, and modern analytical tools. The goal is not to react to every movement. It is to create a focused process where relevant information can be reviewed, understood, and managed with greater clarity.